According to the dictionary, a hamburger is a round patty of ground beef, fried or grilled, and typically served on a bun or roll and garnished with various condiments. At DUCKCHAR, we disagree. What's up guys, it's Davi from DUCKCHAR, and today we're making duck burgers. Duck burgers are just like the beef burgers that you love. We use lettuce, onion, tomato, all in a brioche bun with a little mustard. The difference is in the duck. So the first step to getting your duck burgers ready is to hand grind them yourself. You'll take the duck breast and put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes so that it gets a little denser, and then you're gonna slice it into very thin slices, short ways and then long ways, and then you'll just chop it until you get a nice coarse grind. You don't want it to be too smooth. The actual texture is a lot better when you hand chop, and you'll notice that when you're eating the burger, it should kind of fall apart more easily than you would with store-bought ground beef. Once the duck breast is ground, it's time to turn them into patties. Since DUCKCHAR Moulard duck breast has such a natural, rich flavor, all you need to do is season with salt and pepper, and then they're ready for the grill. We'll cook them to an internal temp of 135 degrees, and then they're ready to eat. As you guys can see, making hand-ground duck burgers from scratch is super easy. If you have any comments or questions, comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys next time.